Hey everybody, Bill with American Liberty Fighters here. Thought I'd go ahead and put out a short update video. Not a whole lot to update you on. My wife and I both have a job now. Have had for the last couple of months. Been working at a place called Central Market. It's an HEB high-end type store, I guess you would call it. I've been in maintenance and I'm getting ready to move over and work in the bakery to learn how to be a scratch baker. So that should be a lot of fun. I was working, if you see this behind me, this is a vinyl record cabinet. I've got some video footage of this where I was building it, trying to finish that up. In the process of doing that, we also moved, found a rental house here in town. Of course, we're not out of town. That kind of sucks, but you live with what you got. With the way the rental market and the housing market actually all together is these days, you kind of have to get it while it's there. So we both have jobs now. My wife and I are still working on her mother's estate to get that completely finalized. And we're trying to move into this rental house. As you can tell, we've got boxes and stuff in the garage still. I've still got my mule and the zero turn. I don't use either one of them. The yard we can't get in the backyard with the zero turn. The gate's too small, and the yard really, even if I could get it in there, is just way too small. So anyhow, and the mule, we're thinking about selling both the mule and the mower. The mule's just sitting here, losing value, not being utilized, as well as the mower. I've got some more equipment. I bought a wood chipper mulcher last week, got it in. I've used it a little bit, so if you're interested in having a video, it's a super handy 3-inch wood chipper. I'll go through a video of that if you want. Just let me know. If you have any other questions about what's going on with us, let me know that as well. I don't mind sharing some information if you're interested. And I do appreciate all the subscribers who have sent messages asking how we're doing and if we're doing okay. We are both okay. We're not sick. I've not felt like doing a video, really. To be quite honest, it's been really difficult. Back in town, trying to find a job, trying to find a place to live. We spent months living in Airbnb, and it just wasn't worth doing videos in. So I guess once we get everything set up in the house here, my wife will most likely do a video showing everybody the house and how she's got it all set up. And once I have my garage workshop set up, which will be after a lot of this stuff is out of here, I will do a video about my workshop because I now have I have a bandsaw, I have a drill press, I've still got my miter saw, my table saw, planer. I've got a few other pieces of equipment, tools that I've purchased while waiting to get everything set up. But anyhow, there's really not a whole lot else to say. Again, I thank everybody for sticking around and for all of the comments and the support that I've been given. I really do appreciate all of that. And And for all my new subscribers, even though I haven't put anything out there for the last few months, I appreciate you coming over, checking the channel out, and actually subscribing. So I will start putting more content out. Probably one of the first videos will be the vinyl record cabinet build that I'm doing. If I can get all the footage put together and put that out, I'll get that done. So anyhow, I hope everybody has a great day.